Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can remove your Cameo face on Snapchat. So Cameo is this, you guys can see all these stickers over here, and on these stickers there's my face. So these are called Cameo selfies. And let's say you want to remove your face and you want to place a new person's face over here, but first you need to clear your current face, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after you open Snapchat, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you over here. Once you're over here at the top right, there's the little setting icon, click on it. Now once you're on your setting, under my account, you can see the option called Cameos. So once you see the option called Cameos, click on it. Once you click on Cameos, your current face is gonna be shown over here. So let's say you want to clear this. Over here where it says action at the bottom, there's clear my Cameo selfie. Click on clear my Cameo selfie and click on clear. And your Cameo selfie will be cleared, and it's gonna ask you to create a new Cameo selfie just like this. That's how simple it is to remove cameos on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.